Welcome to another market commentary. In this video will be me quickly talking and analysis of the dead internet theory, or as the more friendly, non-technical term, basically the internet, how is basically its traffic is taken up basically mainly by bots and now even artificial intelligence. So a quick summary or a quick meaning of the dead internet theory that the majority of the internet is just bots talking to each other. And ever since this AI bubble has started, this is now this AI now has also joined in taking more bandwidth that the World Wide Web has, or the network has, and it has now actually made our human actual traffic even becoming smaller percentage. And yeah, this, in my opinion, it has gone from some tin hat, foil hat conspiracy theory into more mainstream tech, and maybe even, in my opinion, could potentially go into mainstream media. That is due to the fact that Facebook by Meta has announced they are implementing a AI Facebook profile powered by the Meta AI. It will post, it will have all the, profile picture or the profile banner and I've met Facebook Messenger profile that you, the human Facebook user, can interact with. And this basically, and how does Meta or Facebook like to power those AI profile? It's going to use the power of the Meta AI that Facebook is right now pumping crapload of money since the AI bubble has started. You have probably within 24 hours of hearing it, you've probably already seen a few cursed, or before then you would have seen a few unhinged internet posts and be like, hey, how on earth does these unhinged AI, Meta AI, liama, chatgpt response that becomes really that gets screenshotted and shared around, be like, hey, look at how dumb an AI is, or how unhinged an AI is due to the fact, again, with the AI training slash learning needs a lot of data, with a lot of country rule law thankfully catching up to it, or some platform wants to try and make them more friendly towards us human beings, be like, hey, here's a tick box you can tick into your profile of that we will promise we will not use your data that you have given us to be pumped into an AI algorithm, AI learning algorithm, teaching algorithm to teach our artificial intelligence, or we will not sell it to artificial intelligence people that gather, data for AI training. Since then that has happened, some of those AI database holders that used to train AI, they are now using AI generated data to train new artificial intelligence, and this has resulted in pretty cursed AI output, and hence you see we got all these screenshots of these unhinged AI responses, or just really questionable AI responses by a lot of these AI chatbots, and basically, and now that you kind of know the basic understanding of this internet dead theory, let me give my view on this. This is basically Meta AI is the inevitable as one. This is basically the shareholders of Facebook and a lot of AI companies be like, we want you to keep pumping our money in. We're going to keep pumping money into this overvalued, and we instructors, we want this market to keep on growing, profit keep going, and we want to see this grow indefinitely, and we have zero care about the industry health that they have invested into. As soon as for those investors, as soon as they see the graph stop going up or has stagnated, they're going to start pulling out, and you're just going to see a bunch of rug pulls, and you bet there are going to be the health of that industry is not going to be great, or the financial of that industry that just got rug pulled under isn't going to be or extracted onto not to you, that industry that are in those AI whatever. It is going to be pulled toward those investors. They're going to be get more wealthier, as well as the people that they have entrusted to help them manage them in their place of that industry. Basically, if you are one of those bag holders, unfortunately, you're going to be getting the one that's screwed over. And basically, as one, most of the money has been siphoned off this industry, and they don't, and by the investors, and you are basically left with a rotting corpse of an industry, which the AI bubble will inevitably happen. Thankfully, what will happen when this AI bubble inevitably pops and the corpse just starts rotting out? There's going to be quite good amount or quite cheap, AI hardware, data center hardware, and AI products like RTX 4090s, 5090s, 4080s, 4080 Supers. I bet a lot of them are going to be on the used market for cheap, and you are basically going to be able to buy them for basically 1/3 of the price of the MSRP of your country, or the recommended retail price of your region, as they're basically used product, and they cannot be sold as brand new, and they're weird. And majority of the product's value is in the new price, and a lot of time secondhand or buying used gets rid of a lot of the new devaluation and a lot of the cliff that goes from being new to used. And yeah, this is basically what I predict will happen when this AI bubble will happen. However, if while this AI bubble keeps going, I think we're going to keep getting a lot of these free meta AI, chatgpt, and llama stuff, which is great. From summarizing a lot of information, you feed into the information that you have vetted yourself and went, okay, I have vetted all these information I trust from sources I trust, and bring a good summary. And this is where I think is great for AI, or if you for some reason just wants to generate some pictures or some responses to some family, be like, hey, how to say New Year in some unique way, or hey, generate a picture of some cool stuff that clearly you have no artist. Be like, hey, yeah, for fun, I think this is what an AI is great for. And anyway, that brings the end to another Bucket Counter video. I hope you liked the internet dead theory video. And if you do, do the typical content creator, what we like on the platform, like, share, subscribe if you haven't. And if you really want to help this engagement, put some comment. And if you have some, feedback, also put it down in the comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video.